Hello everyone, this is another session with Easyway Maths Tutors. Bola Adebajo is my name, and I'm going to be working on antilog. We have been talking about antilog, we have spoken about logarithm, we are talking about antilog, and now we'll be working some examples again on antilog. How you can use antilog and logarithm to solve multiplication problems, to solve division problems. That's what we will be treating today. So we are supposed to calculate this, and we are going to use logarithm table to do this. Why you need logarithm table is that some of these divisions you may not have the same number that can divide them, so you have to use logarithm table for that. Like you have 3/7, nothing can divide 3/7 again, so sometimes you have to use logarithm table to solve this problem. So we are using number log. One thing that you must also understand is if it is division, you subtract logarithm. If it is multiplication, you add the logarithm. Those are the things you must understand. Then if it is like square root, let's say if it is in the form of a raised to power half, in this case, when you find the logarithm, you multiply the logarithm by half. Log times half. If it is like this, in this format, you have log times 2. So you must understand these rules while you are doing your calculations. You have the number, you have the logarithm. This is the number 675.2 divided by 35.81. What is the logarithm of 675.2? The integer that will be before the logarithm will be calculated from the decimal point here. So you have 1, 2. You are bringing the decimal here. You have 1, 2. So it is 2 point whatsoever you get. In this one, you have just 1. You have 1 point. This is just 1. You have 1 point. So this is just 1 point, and this is 2 points. So you will now look for log 67 under 5 difference 2. 8293, that's 67 under 5. Then difference 2, that's 1. You have 8294. So you put your 8294 here. 35 under 8 is 5639. 5639. That's 35 under 8. Difference 1 is 1. You add 1. This one gives you 5640. So you now write your 5640 here. And you know you are going to subtract because it is division. So you have 4, 5, 6, 2, 18.1. That's your answer. So as you have gotten this answer now, you now look for antilog again. The antilog will be your answer. We are going to look for 2654. Where are we going to get 2654? You know, we have spoken about antilog. So you're not going to look for 2654. 18 under 4. 2648. I have 2648. That's the closest to 2654. I am going to add 6 to it to get 2654. The 6 that I'm going to add to it is under the difference. I'm not looking for a difference. 2648. Where do I get 6? I did not even get 6. I'm getting 5. And that is under 2. So difference 2. 2, that will 1842. Because the integer here is 1. So you now count from here. This is standard form, the normal standard form where the point is supposed to be. So you just count from here. This will give you 18.42. 18.42. That's the answer. So answer is equal to 18.42. So you can try this by using your calculator. You will know whether you are correct. Use your calculator to test.